If you are a coffee lover, then you should stick around and watch this video to the very end because you are going to love it. Even if you are not, stick around because you definitely love it. So these are the equipment, nothing too much, just something like this, a spatula and maybe a spoon or anything that you feel you'll be comfortable to use to scoop your batter. Now into a bowl, we want to go in with some margarine. You can use butter if that is what you prefer, but in this video I'm using margarine. I'm scooping that into my bowl and I'm going to add some icing sugar. If you do not have icing sugar, you can still use your white sugar, which will also work perfectly for you. Make sure you mix these very well. Take your time to mix until everything comes together. You want the icing sugar and the margarine to mix very well. It should be fine, it should feel fluffy, so take your time, be patient and continue to do this until you achieve this consistency, which is fine. Because this is coffee infused cookies, you definitely need some coffee, and you can use any quantity you prefer depending on how you want or how concentrated you want your coffee to be in the cookies. So do it to suit your preference. Now we mix these and bring everything to a proper combination, and then we add our evaporated milk. I also introduce some coconut flavor. Yes, you can use any flavor of your choice, but try coconut flavor if you are not allergic to coconut at all, because it just brings out the best in that cookies. It is so good when you use the coconut flavor. Now mix everything. You will not get a very smooth consistency. Something like that is fine. And now sift in your soft flour or your cake flour. Yes, mix that and then do it bit by bit. Do not put all of the quantity you have in it like this. Do it bit by bit so that you get a perfect consistency, and that will help you achieve a very good cookies. So just mix it bit by bit and you'll be fine. Take your time, don't rush. Let me use this opportunity to thank you all for stopping by and clicking on this video. You are welcome to my channel, and please stay with me if you enjoy videos like this. I have more in store for you. Now if you achieve something like this, you are set to go. This consistency is just perfect. You can use your clean hand to just take a reasonable amount and then you put it on your baking pan. But before then, you should make sure that you have some baking paper in your baking pan. If you do not have that, then you should make sure you grease it with some butter or margarine, and then you fry it again so that it prevents your cookies from sticking onto it. And like always, all the ingredients and their right measurements will be in the description, so do well to refer to the description. Now put this in the oven and bake, and in few minutes our coffee infused cookies is just ready. I hope that this video helps you. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Share to your friends and loved ones so they also benefit from this, because you know what, Christmas is just around the corner. And then I'll see you in my next video. Please stay safe and bye.